In this video, I'll detail how to optimize Apple Watch battery. So if you have an Apple Watch, whether it is new or a used Apple Watch, and you want to optimize the battery so that the battery can learn from your daily usage, then you need to turn on optimize battery usage limit. So if at the end of this video, you found this level informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to optimize your Apple Watch battery, all you just need to do is press G-Cron once to go to the app menu. On the app menu, click on settings. Then on settings page, just scroll down. Keep scrolling until you get to battery. I'll click on that. Then here, you'll be presented with this chart showing you the percentage of your Apple Watch battery, the current percentage, and the level it was when it was last charged. Then you just need to scroll down and click on battery health. Now scroll down, locate optimize battery charging, and then turn on optimize charge limit. So when this is enabled, your Apple Watch can learn from daily usage and determine when to charge to an optimized limit and when to allow for full charge. So make sure you turn this on to help you boost your battery capacity and learn from your daily usage. So this is how you can easily optimize Apple Watch battery. So if you found this lesson informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.